Sure, you understand? No, I can't, but I need to make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you because we can't afford to have disgruntled people running around the place. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm not gruntled.
No. But driver, look at me and talk to me, man. Listen, the reason why this has... Driver, isn't that my phone?
You know me can't buy BlackBerry.
So how did you come by it?
Don't tell a lie upon me. You see me teeth nothing?
No. I never accused you of anything, and quite frankly, I'm happy to...
Hey, and that's how this thing work. You move up now, leave this behind in remembrance of Ronnie Jones.
You know something, driver? I refuse to believe that you of all people would attempt to extort me, you know, man.
What a big word you drop on little me. You see me look like dictionary?
Driver.
John, no, every time I look on this, I remember my 3 girl picking them hungry.
No. Driver, you don't have to worry about your girls, you know, man, because the moment I won this election, you see, I said to myself, if I do nothing else as an MP, I have to get drivers 3 girls from the country and into a proper school in the city. I was really just waiting on you to tell me what school you wanted them to go to.
Calabar.
Calabar? All right, if you say so.
I'm on a new vehicle. Me don't want nothing too dear and too fancy, I want something calm and simple.
All right, we had some Nissan Sunnies in the campaign. We must be able to get you one of those.
Who you getting Nissan? You see me look sunny? Give me my father drive, you're too mean.
No, my mother, last time I checked, my father was driving a Range Rover.
You're welcome.
All right. We seem to have an understanding now, right, driver? So just hand over the phone and I will pretend that none of this ever happened.
No, man, you're all on there.
No, but you can't go in the phone.
Hello?
Driver, listen.
Oh, Jesus, no. Hey, man, you're not blind me.
Driver.
I want to see how you eat and it look like you can't down.
Driver.
How will you do with your mouth?
Driver.
I won't teach you, Trevor. Let me off of me. Let me off of me.
Driver. Listen, you can't be doing this.
No, man. Look how long me I drive for you. What make you never tell me say your tongue no karate? Jesus. Watch your tongue in the pan.
Driver.
I'm not telling a lie, you're the only man can get Trevor run for your money.
Driver.
Hey, you know your tongue big like a beach towel.
Driver.
All they want is 2 ATM machines for just swipe.
Driver. Listen to me now, man.
Yeah.
All of that is private and confidential. You can't afford to let it out. Give me the phone.
You mad? You know, so I have no cable, no DVD, me for go and keep me eye occupied. You come, swipe. Oh, Lord. All if your Prime Minister ever see this film, that's say, not in my cabinet.
Yo! I miss them days, brother, when you gonna play. Shebada come to town. Shebada visit all 14 parishes. Savlamar. Negril, everywhere, Shebada there. If you miss your Sav, you're gone to Negril for watch Shebada. Yo, Shebada was the man. Or whatever Shebada call himself. Shebada been funny, still funny, always funny. Top tier Jamaican comedian. This was fun. Now if you enjoyed it, you had a laugh, you had a blast, give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Like, share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Bless.